this week, sadly, what's going on here is just we're just not really getting momentum going into small caps. We have GVH, we have coin. Everything was incredibly. I did mention to buy silver, because this was by the support of 65. Alb was really choppy. RXT, the flow was too big, 70 million. SNG was a ticker that was already up 300%. A lot of these tickers didn't really fit my criteria. It was, then we had LRHC, which is a low volume sketchy news pop and drop. Then we had AMLEK. This is actually the only ticker that actually fit my criteria. You had AMLEK. You had a clear textbook breakout of 13. You had a low float underneath a million. And you had volume, and you had a 52-week breakout and daily breakout of 30. That's the only ticker that really fit my criteria this whole week. So what used to happen for me in the past, I used to sit here and just try to fight small caps and multiple times, and then possibly have a big red day or a big red week, and then exhaust myself. That's what I used to do in the past. But nowadays, when I have like 2 stop losses, in a row, 3 days in a row, I just move on to something else. So that's kind of primarily what I did. So, this is the only ticker that actually met my criteria. 500K flow, daily breakout, 52-week breakout. I mean, I could have bought 13 and sold 19. But primarily this week, this was my WDC long did at 295, sold at 308. I thought about buying mu continuation pattern because it broke yesterday. This is semiconductor. Same thing when I was just looking at the semiconductors right here. You have another semiconductor doing a 52-week breakout. Where is that semiconductor? I don't know. There's gotta be somewhere. I have too many charts to pretty much look at. This is AU gold. That's gold. So primarily what's going up right now is just miners. I'm on page 2. I gotta go back here. So 8AXTI, this is the semiconductor over here. Daily breakout of 28. Also a 52-week breakout. You have some Fortuna mining. This is a 11.5 breakout. But I actually like AG since they had good earnings and stocks is going up. But primarily that's kind of like what is going up right now. Obviously energy, obviously oil, obviously all these tickers, but it's just we're in a choppy market.